Weigh about 70 strong, just like fella. Yeah, Park Melly Mel, Park Van Helen. And we represent Illidale, where they still rebelling. Hey yo, sicko show like Mike Moore's. My city ain't nothing like yours. Slipping in the darkness like war. Night crawl with the lights off. You see a lot of life laws for the white horse. Regardless, the charges making assault targets all on the red carpet. Guns from the black market. Hey, who got the politicians in their back pocket? Pimp slap, pump that, give me that profit. When you make contact, give me that gossip. If you break contract, you be that hostage. They getting busy in the city, it's wrong. Better deadbolt the door, it ain't safe no more.
March winds and April showers take away what we take flowers, and then comes and you. March winds and April showers, romance will soon be ours, an outdoor paradise for two.
Approach with caution, be cautious. We're talking to bosses. I feel I've been through a metamorphosis. I'm mutated by unknown forces. The feeling of courses, something that's hard to describe. I'm half dead, never felt more alive. Reborn, remove the gold coins from my eyes. I've been down, but now I'm back up. I'm about to act up, boy, you better back up. And when you see me set up shop, know the